My name is Rick William Bro and my groupmate Cyril Maranga, and we discuss about effect of the liquids pressure pace inside the tank or compartment to vessel stability.
Introduction. When tanks or compartments are not fully filled, liquid forms an open free surface that causes the free surface effect, which vessel impacts stability and pose safety risk if undamaged. This report covers its mechanism, effect, and solution. So, og kanang example kanang kuan ng karga tubig or kanang gasoline. So, ang barko di na jud mo stability kay na pa may moral silbing mo kimba-kimba siya kay samot og kusog ang bawd. So, when the vessel held liquid flow to the lower side, shifting its center of gravity and raising the vessel virtual center of gravity. The effect mainly depends on liquid surface are not volume of depth. It reduces the lever, the key measure of a vessel stability, to return upright. So when the vessel upright, the liquid is evenly distributed, so its center of gravity remain fixed and stable. When the vessel held, the liquid shift to the lower side, raising the virtual center of gravity and reducing the rating level, which weakness of the ship ability to return up.
Impact: reduce initial stability, lowers metal-centric height, making the vessel haul easier, recover slower, or even capsize in extreme cases. Shorter stability range, reduce maximum rating lever and effective recovery angle, raising rest in rough conditions. Altered rolling, slower but wider rolling, affecting maneuverability, increasing structural stress, and endangering people and goods. Mitigation measures: subdivide tanks with bulkheads or baffles to reduce liquid surface area and movement range. Keep tanks fully filled or empty whenever possible to eliminate free surface entirely. Minimize the number of partially filled tanks and arrange them symmetrically. Conclusion: free surface weakness, stability, and effect overall safety. Proper design, loading, planning, and operation can effectively control its impact. Relevant personnel must understand this topic to operate safely and meet standards.